If it sounds like I'm talking low or whispering even, that is because it is 10 o'clock at night and I got the bright idea to do like a DIY face exfoliant. I haven't exfoliated my face in a good little while. I usually just use my CeraVe, and this is just a foaming facial cleanser. I've just been using this, but I feel like my face could use a really nice exfoliating session. So I didn't have an actual exfoliant on hand, so I was kind of looking up some things online and saw that I can just do my own DIY facial scrub at home. So I went to digging through my pantry and I saw that I actually had everything I needed in order to make a really good DIY facial scrub. So the first ingredient I am going to use is coffee. I also wanted to let you guys know what the benefits are of each ingredient that will be going into this facial scrub. So like I said, the first ingredient is coffee. Coffee is said to have calming effects, anti-aging benefits, reduces inflammation, it can treat acne, dark circles, and after sun care. So if you guys don't know, I have oily, acne prone skin. So my face has been doing pretty well. It's not horrible. I still have a few hyperpigmentation marks, acne marks on my skin, particularly this one, but I mean, it's not bad. I'm actually pretty proud of my skin and how far it's come over the years. So we're gonna go ahead and start this DIY. I'm gonna go ahead and open my coffee, and this has no sweeteners or anything, and it's just plain coffee. And it smells so good. I love coffee. I love drinking coffee in the morning. So when I saw that you can actually make a facial scrub with this, I was like, yes, I am ready for this. So I'm just gonna eyeball it. I'm not gonna really measure it too much. I'm just gonna use like, I guess, a heaping spoonful of coffee. And then another ingredient I saw that you can use in facial scrubs is sugar. Now, it doesn't really have any skin benefits except that it's a good exfoliant. Pretty gentle as far as when you're trying to exfoliate the skin. The crystals are pretty fine, so I don't think you would have to worry about like any jagged pieces like cutting your skin or anything like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and use it. I'm almost out of this bag. I'm gonna use about 2 heaping spoonfuls of sugar. I want you guys to get a better angle of seeing the actual ingredients go in the bowl. So far we have the coffee and the sugar. Okay, so this is how it looks so far. So the next ingredient we're going to use is ground cinnamon. And the benefits of cinnamon is that it plumps the skin. It is said to improve fine lines. It can also treat acne. It's an antiseptic. It softens and smooths dry and dead skin, and it improves complexion. So that sounds like it'll be great in a facial mask. So we're going to put some cinnamon in. Once again, I'm just going to eyeball it, you guys. Okay, so we got our cinnamon. The next ingredient we're going to be using is ground turmeric. And the benefits of turmeric is it can fight off acne. Again, I'm acne prone. It reduces dark circles. It protects against sun damage and aging. It reduces appearance of stretch marks and soothes dry skin. Again, sounds like a great ingredient to go into my facial mask. So we're going to go ahead and put in a little turmeric. And I don't want to put too much because turmeric is like a deep color and it looks like it could possibly stain. So I don't want that to happen. The next ingredient we're going to be using is honey. Okay, and the benefits of honey, it can help acne. Honey is naturally antibacterial, so it's great for acne treatment and prevention. As far as aging, it's full of antioxidants and it's great for slowing down aging. And complexion boost, it is extremely moisturizing and soothing, so it can help create a glow. So we're going to go ahead and put that into our mask as well. ingredient that I'm going to put in this facial scrub is organic extra virgin olive oil. And it looks like this. It's the Bertolli brand, but obviously you can use any extra virgin olive oil that you may have on hand. And the benefits of olive oil: it's vitamin content. Olive oil contains the fat soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K. It has antibacterial effects and it has moisturizing effects. So we're going to pour a little bit of this in our mask as well. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and mix all of those ingredients together. So this actually looks like the consistency that I want. It's not too loose and it's not too thick. So I think that's what you would want in a facial scrub. You don't want it to be like loose to where it's like dripping all over your face and dripping all over your clothes. And obviously you don't want it too thick to where you can't even like rub it all over your face. This is perfect, you guys. So this is how it is looking. And it smells so good. It has cinnamon and coffee and honey and sugar in it. So it smells super good. Before I do any facial scrubs or even a facial mask, I like to wash my face with a cleanser. So I'm just going to use my CeraVe to wash my face first before I do my scrub. I just wet my face. I'm going to take 1 pump of my facial cleanser and wash my face. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and rinse this off and I'll be right back. So after rinsing off my cleanser, I'm going to go ahead and use my scrub. And I left my face wet just so the scrub can like kind of smooth on a little bit better because it is a thick consistency. So I'm going to take some off of my spoon here. And it looks like I have enough to, get a few uses out of it. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and scrub our skin, and it feels great. It definitely feels like an exfoliant, one that you would buy in a store. Definitely need to exfoliate my nose. I want to be gentle under the eye area. Now I can already tell this feels so good. I know this is going to have my skin super smooth. It needed it, you guys, because I haven't exfoliated in like months. So my skin needs this. Alright, so this is how my face is looking. I am done scrubbing for right now. I'm going to leave this on my skin for about 10 minutes or so, and then I will be right back. So time is up, and I think I actually left it on for a good 15 minutes or so. So this is how my face is looking. So I'm going to go ahead and rinse this off and I will be right back. You guys, my face feels so baby soft right now. Like it feels so nice and smooth. I still got a little bit of coffee on my lip. But it feels so good. Okay, let me just take a towel here and dry. My face feels so good. While I was waiting for the 10 to 15 minutes that the mask was on my face, I actually exfoliated my feet as well because y'all know we're supposed to be staying inside. So going to the nail shop is not in the cards right now. So my feet needed a good exfoliant as well. And let me tell you, this works on the feet as well. So if you need like a good overall body scrub, try it. Try it, you guys. The last thing I want to do after washing and exfoliating my skin is moisturize. So I'm going to just use my Urad. I've been using this for a while. This is the City Skin Overnight Detox Moisturizer. And as you can see, I'm almost out of it. It's a pretty good moisturizer. So I'm just going to put that all over my skin. Man, this turned out really well. I'm definitely going to incorporate this mask into my skincare routine because y'all, I have everything here. I don't need to go out and buy anything special in order to get great results. My skin feels amazing once again, you guys. I really hope you give this little DIY a try. Hope you love it just as much as I do. Actually, I didn't know how this was going to come out, but I am so glad that I ended up liking it, and now I can, like I said, incorporate it into my weekly skincare routine. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. If you enjoyed it, make sure you give me a thumbs up, and if you would love to see more videos from me in the future, make sure you are subscribed. And as always, I love you guys, and thank you so much for watching, and I will see y'all on the next one. Until then, bye.